Hi, my name is Varsha and I'm preparing for civil services examination, and the upcoming prelims would be my third attempt as I couldn't clear my last two prelims, though it was a setback for me. But I took that failure as a feedback and introspected into my preparation and myself, and I came to realize a lot about my problems. Like it was more of a studying and a lack of revision and practice. Thus, I started gradually rectifying my defects and streamline my preparation according to exam point of view. But at the same time, I was still not confident about the process and actions I was taking into my preparation, as I wanted to keep the scope of error into this prelims very less. And so the reason I kept on exploring more, and then and there I came across one of the PDFs in the Telegram. Yeah, that is a place where I spend a lot of time after my studies, and that PDF talked about the previous year's analysis. And what caught my attention is that it talked how 60 questions of prelims 2021 were related to the previous year question papers. And when I came to know that this document has been prepared by Rakesh Dalal sir and the Rakesh Dalal Institute and the IS research team, I knew what could have been the content inside the document, because I have been ardent follower of him. I've been watching him on YouTube, of the videos, the trend analysis he does, the practice questions, that is my favorite, and the answer writing practices and the different rituals and practices he asks one aspirant to follow in their life, and many more. And thus, to my surprise, it was beyond expectation when I went through the document of it, and the sir has touched on all the topic, on all the aspects. And for example, he has categorized all the topics as in some repetitive category, solvability categories, then also how he has showed the detailed comparison uh, and showed how each and every question in a subject wise breakup manner is related to the previous question, and how so many questions has been inspired from the previous year question paper. That was just outstanding. Sir, I can't thank you enough for what a value addition it has done to my preparation, because my analysis has always been very limited to the weightage of the questions, or the static or dynamic nature, or the difficulty levels of the question, or the sources from where it had been picked it up, and few more out of the boxes. But the analysis, your detailed analysis has given me, I'm extremely thankful. It has saved me a lot of time. Now I can have a more element of perspective to now do my preparation, identify my important areas and themes and linkages and the patterns you have talked in that document. So this document is highly recommended to all the aspirants, and that too, it is just for rupees 90 I'm sorry, 99. And yeah, the quality content, and just for 99 rupees. And thank you so much for keeping low also, because we aspirant was able to get access of it. So sir, I'm extremely humbly honored and thankful for this initiative of yours, as it has helped a lot of students in getting a more clarity of thought in their preparation. So, last but not the least, I would also like to wish all the aspirants a very good luck, and thank you for your time and patience for listening to me. Thank you.